Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, if you're aware and haven't been living under a rock, I'm sure you've noticed that airline stocks have been in the news quite a bit. And with that being said, very, very interesting pattern here that's taken shape after today. And we'll see what happens with it. But I want to make the disclosure, yes, there is a bullish pattern that is starting to take shape, but just because something is bullish does not mean that it's for sure guaranteed for the price to go up, if only trading were that easy. My point is would it be shocking to see the price make another move to the upside? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all, but again, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So what is this pattern? Well, let's first start by focusing on the lower part of the pattern, which would be the lower resistance trend line, lower support trend line. The red threw me off. Usually I use red for resistance, but we'll make that green to represent support. And then the other part of the pattern does represent the resistance, and that is right up here at $9.75. So to just better see the pattern real quick, we have the resistance trend line right here. We have the support trend line right there. And this is what I would call an ascending triangle. And this presents a very interesting situation, mainly because this is a pattern that a whole lot of people are going to have taken notice of. And I make that comment because when a lot of people have taken notice of the same exact thing and they're wondering the same exact things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very, very dynamic price movements. And that's really half the power behind technical patterns, is that everybody knows what they are. And, that's almost the magic behind them, is the self-fulfilling prophecy type attribute of them. So like I said, from the breakout perspective, lots and lots of people are going to be watching 975. So that'll be the key breakout point to the downside. On the flip side, though, there's also going to be a lot of shorts and such watching that trend line there with a very valid, rational thinking and thought process that, well, if the price comes down here and breaks to the downside, that could really create that much more momentum to the downside. So you're going to have longs very interested about this level. You're going to have shorts very interested about that level. And the week is young. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.